How to enable and use VR mode in YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. VR mode in YouTube basically is a feature that allows you to watch 360-degree videos or standard videos in a more immersive way using a virtual reality headset. In this mode, the content adapts to your headset movements, providing a more engaging, interactive experience as if you are inside the video. So, how to enable and use this VR mode in YouTube? So, let's get started. Firstly, launch your YouTube app on your device. Make sure that you already have logged in and signed into your account. Now tap search icon at top right corner of the screen and search for virtual reality video. When you scroll down, you will get multiple virtual reality videos. You need to select one that interests you. So once you open any kind of video or this virtual reality video, you simply need to select the setting icon at top right corner of this video. Now a mini box appears on the screen. Tap on additional settings. Tap watch in VR. And once you do that, you need to tap the continue button, and after that you need to place your phone in a VR headset after you have enabled, and in this way we can easily use VR mode in YouTube. You need to tap the continue button and then this will split into smaller screens. With this, you'll be able to enable and use VR mode in YouTube. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.